In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change notification sound on Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 or Watch 6 Classic. So welcome to another video of Tech. So to change notification sound, first you need to open Settings application. So for that, swipe up on your home screen. Now scroll down, open Settings application, scroll down, tap on Sounds and Vibration. Scroll down, now tap on Notification Sound. From here you can select any sound you want. There are too many sound. Or if you want to silent notification, you just click on the silent option. Or you can select beep, chirp, flicker, handbell. Now there are too many options for notification sound. So from here you can select any sound for your notification. In this way you can change your notification sound. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to TechSoar.